I found my interest in law way back in boarding school through MUNs and debates that sparked my passion for reasoning and argument.
Hi, I am Priyank Dhaduk, a student of Unitedworld School of Law, Karnavati University.
Though initially I joined another caller due to family pressure, I soon realized my heart belonged to law. Encouraged by my cousin who is already studying here, I chose Karnavati University.
When the admission email arrived, it felt like a second chance, and from my first year itself, the journey became one of growth and discovery. Our team made a history by winning the first ever national moot court competition in 14 years. Guided by my mentors like Priyanka ma'am, Grishma ma'am, I grew through every experience, from joining Student Governing Council in my early years and finally serving as General Secretary of Student Governing Council. My first internship at Sejpal and Associates came through the placement cell, and that's where I got the opportunity to draft my first international contract. Later, I worked with Public Prosecutor of GST Department handling high-profile white-collar tax matters, and through a certificate course at KU, I earned an internship at MZM Legal, one of Asia's top firms in white-collar crime, where I worked on high-stakes white-collar crime matters, including mutual fund and employment scam.
Currently, I am interning at Nanavati and Nanavati Advocates under Senior Advocate Devang Nanavati in Commercial Litigation and International Commercial Arbitration.
Karnavati's well-equipped law library, strong mooting culture, and weekly legal session with senior advocates gave me real-life professional exposure. The multidisciplinary campus, legal aid cell, placement support created opportunities that helped me grow beyond the classroom.
At Karnavati University, I found my path, my purpose, and I realized I am limitless.